Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Deciding whether to lease or buy a car is a significant financial choice that can impact your budget and lifestyle. In 2024, the decision is influenced by various factors including interest rates, car depreciation, insurance costs, and personal preferences. This tutorial will break down the pros and cons of leasing versus buying, and provide a code example to help you determine which option might be cheaper for your specific situation. 1. Understanding leasing versus buying. Leasing a car. Definition: leasing is essentially renting a car for a specified period, typically 2 to 4 years. Monthly payments, generally lower than buying because you're only paying for the vehicle's depreciation during the lease term. Mileage limits. Leases often come with mileage restrictions, example 10,000 to 15,000 miles per year. Maintenance and repairs, often covered under warranty, you may have fewer out-of-pocket expenses. End of term. At the end of the lease, you return the car and may have the option to buy it for a predetermined price. Buying a car. Definition: purchasing a car means you own it outright after paying the total price or financing it. Monthly payments, typically higher than leasing since you're paying off the entire cost of the vehicle. Long-term ownership. Once the car is paid off, you own it and can drive it without payments. Depreciation. The vehicle depreciates in value, but you can sell or trade it in later. Unlimited mileage. You can drive as much as you want without penalty. 2 factors to consider. Monthly budget. How much can you afford to pay each month? Driving habits. How many miles do you typically drive each year? Duration of use. How long do you plan to keep the vehicle? Maintenance. Are you okay with covering maintenance costs after the warranty expires? 3. Cost analysis code example. Here's a simple Python code example to help you compare the total costs of leasing versus buying a car based on user inputs. Python. Def calculate _costs, lease _monthly, lease _term, buy _price, interest _rate, resale _value, ownership _years. Calculate total cost of leasing. Total _lease _cost equals lease _monthly * lease _term. Calculate total cost of buying. Total _interest equals buy _price * interest _rate /100 * ownership _years. Total _buy _cost equals buy _price plus total _interest, resale _value. Return total _lease _cost, total _buy _cost. Def main. User inputs. Lease _monthly equals float, input, enter your monthly lease payment. Lease _term equals int, input, enter the lease term in months. Buy _price equals float, input, enter the purchase price of the car. Interest _rate equals float, input, enter the annual interest rate, as a percentage. Resale _value equals float, input, enter the expected resale value after ownership years. Ownership _years equals int, input, enter how many years you plan to own the car. Calculate costs. Total _lease _cost, total _buy _cost equals calculate _costs, lease _monthly, lease _term, buy _price, interest _rate, resale _value, ownership _years. Output results. Print, F\n total cost of leasing the car, $total _lease _cost .2 F. Print, F total cost of buying the car, total _buy _cost .2 F. If total _lease _cost total _buy _cost. Print, leasing is the cheaper option. Else. Print, buying is the cheaper option. If underscore underscore name underscore underscore equals equals underscore underscore main underscore underscore main. For example scenario. Let's run through a hypothetical scenario with the following assumptions. Monthly lease payment, $300. Lease term, 36 months. Purchase price, $30,000. Annual interest rate, 5%. Resale value after 5 years, $15,000. Ownership years, 5 years. 5. Input the data. You can run the above code and input the values as follows. Enter your monthly lease payment, $300. Enter the lease term in months, 36. Enter the purchase price of the car, $30,000. Enter the annual interest rate, as a percentage 5. Enter the expected resale value after ownership years, 15,000. Enter how many years you plan to own the car, 5. 6. Conclusion. After running the code, you will get a clear comparison of the total costs of leasing versus buying. The choice will depend on your personal circumstances, including how long you plan to keep the vehicle, your driving habits, and your financial situation. Remember, while one option may appear cheaper in the short term, consider long-term implications and personal preferences when making your decision.